In this video, I'll show you how to disable right-click on your Shopify store. This can help stop people from easily copying your images or saving content from your website. First, log into your Shopify admin. In the left-hand menu, go to Online Store, go down to Themes, click on the three dots, click Edit Code. Before making any changes to the code, it is a good idea to duplicate your theme first, just in case you need to undo anything later. Inside the code editor, look for the layout folder. Usually it's its own drop down, so we've got layout here. The one we want is theme.liquid. So open that file. So we want to find the closing body tag. So you can just do Control F and do a search for /body. It's at the bottom, but it's usually at the bottom of the actual code itself. I'll put this code in the description or in a pinned comment or something, but just so you've got it. So there's two different codes you can use. The first one just prevents right click on its own. There is another one that will stop people dragging images directly out. I'll show you that afterwards. So where we want to paste it, just above this closing tag. So around here. Before that, I'll show you the actual page first. So refresh. Just so you can see, let's just close this. Just so you can see that I can actually right click, I can save an image, I can drag the image, right click. So I'm going to paste that in here. This is the first code. Then we click save. That's saved. Go to our page, refresh. So now when I right click, it doesn't do anything. I can drag the images out though, so I can open that, drag that to a new tab and then save it that way. So drag the image, new tab. So let me show you how to get rid of that. So we'll delete this. That's my code. This is the second code. Copy that. Paste that in. Save that. And then refresh the page. Can't right click. And I can't now drag those over like I could before. So whichever you want. If you just want to disable right click, then it's the first one, or you can just do the second one, and then it does both. Keep in mind though, it's not full protection. People can still get around it. So I can go into more tools, developer tools. And I can literally click on this. And then it shows me the image here. So I can still get the image. But not a lot of people know how to do that. It does stop the basic right click method. Okay, well I hope that helps.